Yeah. Quadruple is gone, triple is still on, and it's just a problem that I'm seeing that is going to happen. And looking at this Pirate team right now, there are two things that I think is going to happen. It's either we're going to just fumble all our way down, not even challenging the league towards the end of it, or we can continue to do that, trying to recover from the loss that just happened against Curry Six Stars. But my thing is, I don't really gonna go hard and talk about the loss in the Nedbank Cup because it was on penalties. But I think before we get to penalties, my issue is just the South African thing, but my issue with also Pirate, that's some of the things that they need to do. I think when you watch my video when I was talking about Mabasa, it was the same thing that I was trying to highlight, that most of the time you will need to use techniques to actually put the ball into the box to someone that is there and aiming for their height. But because we never practiced that thing, we weren't able to do it today. And the biggest thing is, Curry Stars, when they came into the game, to defend. They were trying by all means to frustrate Pirates until they get to the penalties. And within like 10 minutes, those guys, they were out there trying to make sure that they wasting time. The keeper was trying by all means to actually waste time. And it was successful for him. And now they are going through to the last 8. And I think the biggest thing now that is going to happen, a lot of people are going to blame this on the coach. And I mean, we have injuries, players try to play, but I'm not going to let players off the hook, man. I think this is the same thing I'm always talking about, that Pirates have those moments where they create chances inside the box and people fail to hit the target. Come on. If you are failing to hit the target in that thing and you're also failing to hit the target when there's no one marking you, I think that's the biggest problem for Pirates. And going forward, it might work actually against us, because in this game, actually, Curry Stars was supposed to punish us because some of the times were just open. There was an opportunity that they actually did in the first half where they actually throw in a long ball inside the box, and then we didn't know how to defend that. And I think that's another problem. And as much as Chabatsane was playing nice in the game against Chakum, I think today he had like some moment where you were like, okay, you're not there yet. So that's what it means we need to rethink our defense. And I think Siema needs to come back. And CBC, it wasn't a bad game, but I mean, what is happening with Tito as well? I still blame Tito for the game we lost against Sundowns when he just decided to go down instead of scoring a goal. And then today he was just losing balls and not tracking back. And I don't understand why Tito is not tracking back every time he loses the ball. Because now you're losing the ball, you gave him an advantage, but you still don't go back to actually mark the ball and come back with it. And some of the things are just crazy. And the way we were playing. So there was a time when Butuma came in and then we were trying to hit the crosses. And that's the thing I want to highlight. Most of the time, it's the thing that is a concern for me. We don't know how to actually cross the ball into the box. And we don't know how to actually create systems that will make us score goals. And most of the time, you're looking at the run where we've been scoring goals. Maybe those are the teams that were not in there to defend. They were teams that they were there to actually play and open up at the back. But if you're a team, you need to have like systems that you can rely on that will actually give you a clear-cut chances to score every time. I don't mean this thing of actually trying to do a finder, even though I think the credit must also go to Curry Six Stars because they defended very well. But I think we are not clinical enough to actually kill the game. And it's one of the things that I'm very, very mad about. And I think when it comes to this thing now, it's going to be a thing of you lose against Sundowns, you lose against Curry Six Stars, the derby is coming, and we all know that the derby is not actually based on form. The derby is just a different game from all the other games in the league. So if we don't win that game, it's going to be a problem. We'll be in 3 games without a win. And it might happen that we actually come to struggle going forward. And my thing is, we need also the derby game to actually make sure that we go back to our rhythm of trying to fight for the league, because we really need the league. Those guys, but they don't sometimes play like they want to win this league, because I don't know, some of the mistakes they do, especially when you look at the way the middle of the park is playing. I think ever since we lost Nduli, we just lost the way we are playing, because we had someone that actually know how to pass, how to actually protect the ball, and how to mark. And then it was an easy job for guys like Mbata. And I think Nemtanjela today actually put in a shift. He was able to run in that midfield, trying to find spaces. And I know maybe some people will be like, oh, they didn't see anything. But I think Nemtanjela today tried to play like the very best performance of himself. And I think he tried everything that he could do in the middle of the park. And yeah, let's go to Moremi. I'm not sure if Moremi was just a gaslighting purple patch thing that we saw, but I wasn't convinced today. Decision making is still terrible, and I mean, it's terrible all over the league. But I mean, sometimes the decision making is just something that is embarrassing when you're watching the football. You're like, you guys are playing this thing, that's your job, but sometimes the decision making is bad. And I think the movement of the ball inside the box, those guys don't know. I think Pilot needs to make sure that this week they are training to shoot, just try to shoot. If you are playing in an attacking, all the wingers, all the number 10s, all the strikers, you guys are supposed to shoot. De Jong, I don't know. I'm actually expecting De Jong to do better than all our strikers because of the experience, the way he's been playing in other teams as well. But there was a ball that he actually was supposed to score, supposed to be a tap-in thing, and then the ball actually decided to go wide when he actually just, you know what, like it's just tough. Like it's tough. I mean, from quadruple now to triple, who knows? We might not even challenge for the league going forward, but I mean, this is really, really, really bad. Pirates need to implement systems that will make them actually get goals if they want to score goals. Not a system that will rely on luck for other teams to open up. They need to find a way that if we play the ball here and here, we know how to crack the defense and score a goal and create clear-cut chances. And credits again to Ndaba, even though today he missed the penalty, but I'm not going to fault him for that. But what I can tell you is what a player he is. Actually, when he came in, this is where we were actually able to actually try on the left-hand side and to put in the ball into the box, even though he likes to do the cutback, which I like the most. But, I mean, the finishing inside the box is still a problem. And I'm really, really angry. But I think we'll need to go back to win the game against the neighbors because the quadruple is gone. Now we have 2 in the back, 1 is left, which is the league. And yeah, I think maybe the focus will be easy. We only have the league games now that are left. Let's just focus on those and try to win those and treat those games like cup finals so that we can ably give us a chance to actually compete with Sundowns. There is nothing much I think I need to say. I'm actually angry. Tell me, how do you feel about us exiting in the Nedbank Cup in the comment down below, and just continue the conversation and tell me your thoughts. What do you think we need to change? Do you think we are going in the right direction even on the league side, or maybe you are concerned just like me? I'll see you on the next one.